guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee and today I'm going to be making green velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting for St. Patrick's Day. This recipe is part of a St. Patrick's Day treats collaboration hosted by Mary over at Resourceful Mama, and everyone participating is part of a Facebook group called YouTube Collabs. So if you're a creator and you're interested in doing collaborations, go over to Facebook and check it out. I will be leaving the link to the playlist for all the other videos and to Mary's channel in the description box below. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 box of Devil's Food cake mix. This is a 15.25 ounce box. You need 1 6-ounce container of vanilla yogurt, or you can use plain yogurt if you like. A 1 ounce bottle of green food coloring, and also the ingredients your box mix calls for. The only difference is we are going to substitute coffee for the water. Okay, so we're gonna pour in the cake mix, the yogurt, and this just helps keep your cupcakes super moist. Next is the water, but we're actually using coffee, remember? The eggs. You want to make sure your coffee is not hot. Your oil. And these measurements are just what's on the back of the box. And the green food coloring. And then mix them until they are well combined. Next, you want to line your muffin tin with cupcake liners and fill each liner until it's about 2/3 full. Now just bake them according to the box directions. Be very careful not to over bake them. According to the brand I bought, it says 14 to 19 minutes, so I am going to check them at 14 minutes by inserting a very thin knife into the center of one of the cupcakes. If it comes out clean, I'm taking them out of the oven. Okay, they're out of the oven and I'm going to let them cool completely before I frost them. I forgot to mention that this will make 24 cupcakes. To frost them, I'm just going to be making a really simple cream cheese frosting. You need a 1/2 stick of butter softened, 1/4-ish teaspoon of vanilla, 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Then you want to beat this until it turns into a frosting. Start off slowly or you're going to have a huge mess on your hands. So to decorate the cupcakes, I'm using obviously the frosting we just made with a Wilton 1M tip. You can frost them however you like, of course. Also, if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a freezer Ziploc bag. They work great. You might want to tape the tip so that it doesn't squeeze out, but other than that, they work really well. I'm also going to be using some of these chocolate coins that actually were still in my son's Christmas stocking. He never ate them. He said he doesn't want them. And I guess you can still get these this time of year. I don't know, but I'm thinking probably party stores have them. And I'm going to be using some green sprinkles, or sugar crystals actually. So let me show you how I am doing this. Take the piping bag and go straight onto the cupcake. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. I'm doing this 5 times. Then I'm adding a little bit of sugar, just for a pop of color, and one of the little coins. And I think they turn out really, really cute. I'm gonna do a couple more for you in fast motion. Here are the finished cupcakes, and I think they turned out absolutely adorable. If you make these, make sure you take a picture and tag me on one of my social media accounts. They're all listed in the description box below. Also, make sure you check out that playlist down in the description box so you can see all of the other videos in this collaboration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.